The 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong represents raw imagination taken to its extreme. Designed as a power-focused, dominance-driven motorcycle, the King Kong name symbolizes strength, size, and road authority. This machine is not about subtlety, it is about presence. Built for riders who want their motorcycle to feel larger than life. The King Kong stands as one of the boldest expressions of Harley-Davidson's heavyweight philosophy. Engine and performance. The King Kong lies a large displacement V-twin engine built for overwhelming torque. The engine is tuned to deliver massive low-end pull, allowing the bike to surge forward with minimal throttle input. Acceleration feels heavy, controlled, and powerful rather than fast and frantic. This engine is not designed for high revs, but for authority. The deep exhaust note and strong engine braking enhance the mechanical feel, reminding the rider that this machine is built for strength, not subtlety. Muscular design and brutal road presence. The design of the 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong is aggressive, wide, and unmistakably powerful. A massive fuel tank, thick body lines, and a low-slung stance give the motorcycle a muscular silhouette. Every angle emphasizes strength, from the oversized front end to the solid rear profile. Dark finishes, minimal chrome, and industrial styling elements reinforce its brutal personality. The King Kong does not aim for elegance. It commands attention through sheer visual force. On the road, it looks less like a motorcycle and more like a rolling statement of dominance. Chassis strength and heavyweight stability. The 2025 King Kong rides on a reinforced chassis designed to handle its size and power. The long wheelbase contributes to excellent straight-line stability, especially at highway speeds. Despite its weight, the bike remains predictable and composed, thanks to a low center of gravity. The suspension setup focuses on stability and comfort rather than sharp cornering. It absorbs road imperfections smoothly, keeping the ride controlled even on rough surfaces. Rider comfort and commanding ergonomics. Comfort plays a major role in the King Kong's design. A wide, deeply cushioned seat supports long-distance riding, while forward-set foot controls create a relaxed cruising posture. The handlebars are positioned to give the rider a commanding, upright stance. This riding position enhances confidence and control, making the motorcycle feel like an extension of the rider rather than a machine that needs to be managed. Technology with a minimalist attitude. The 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong integrates modern technology while keeping the experience raw and focused. A digital display provides essential ride data without overwhelming the rider. Electronics are tuned to assist stability and control, especially under heavy torque output. The technology stays in the background, supporting the ride rather than dominating it. Built for power cruising. The King Kong is designed for power cruising above all else. It excels on highways and long open roads where its torque, stability, and comfort can be fully appreciated. This is a motorcycle made for riders who enjoy slow, confident dominance rather than speed chasing. It reflects Harley-Davidson's tradition of building machines with character, presence, and emotional impact. Conclusion. Harley-Davidson at its most extreme. The 2025 Harley-Davidson King Kong is a symbol of unfiltered power and bold identity. With its massive design, torque-focused engine, and commanding ride experience, it stands apart from conventional cruisers. For riders who want a motorcycle that feels unstoppable and unapologetically bold. The King Kong delivers an experience that is as powerful as its name.